Hi guys, just a quick follow-up to my recent Tello purchase. I had a real lot of fun flying the Tello, but the one problem I was having was found it a bit difficult to control using the phone controls. It's very hard to know where your thumbs were all the time. So this morning this arrived. This is the Gamesir T1d controller, and that was extremely simple to set up, and the difference between using the phone and the Gamesir controller is like night and day. So much easier to control and a lot more fun. As I said, the setup was very simple. Just had to connect the Tello up to the Wi-Fi on the phone as per normal. Then just fire up the controller, go into the Tello app, go to the Bluetooth controller, just tap on that, and the Gamesir was recognised. Then just had to tap on that, and then it paired up immediately, and away you go. So as I said, very happy with it. Anyway, that's about it for now. Thanks.